Aloha kakahiaka, good morning. Happy finals day. Quarterfinals all stacked up and ready to go.
Tyler Wright, she's on her way, just busting that tail free there and grabbing hold of the rail for control on that final maneuver. Keely Andrew just showing some of the form that's seen her earn big numbers.
Talk about that rhythm, that groove.
Conlog, nice vertical punch up, right on the lip, squares up for a little power gouge. And Bait Dog out of the contest, unfortunately won't be re-qualifying for the Dream Tour in 2017. Finals day is turning into an absolute beauty. World champ Tyler Wright takes on rookie Keely Andrew next.
And that was a solid combination of maneuvers. Keely's going to finish the year with her best ever result in the Championship Tour event, and Tyler Wright is in yet another final.
It's official, the final heat of the season. Carissa Moore going for her third straight win at Honolulu Bay, and Tyler Wright, our world champion, looking to close it off with a fifth win of the season. The undisputed world champ in 2016, and now the Maui Women's Pro champ, Tyler Wright.